deliver a speech on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment and the conservation of nature. The progress of mankind in the last century was accompanied by a massive increase in the exploitation of natural resources, from climate change and marine pollution to the depletion of flora and fauna. Environmental issues have only been increased with each passing decade. World Environment Day over the years became a global platform for people from all walks of life to participate in various campaigns to spread awareness about environmental protection. There is a tradition of celebrating the day with an United Nations sponsored theme. Also, every year a particular host country is also chosen by United Nations. Every World Environment Day has a different host country where the official celebrations take place. The focus on the host country helps highlights the environmental challenges it faces and supports worldwide efforts to address them. 2022 is a historic milestone as it marks 50 years since the 1972. With Sweden as the host country, the slogan for World Environment Day 2022 is Only One Earth, which focuses on living sustainably in harmony with nature. Thus, all the resources of nature, from forests to oceans and soil to air, we must conserve. To sum it up, always remember that the gifts and blessings which nature endows on us are priceless. It is rather essential to conserve them all for a better future and life for all. One step for a better environment today is one step toward a better future tomorrow. Thank you.
Of class 8 here to sing a song on World Environment Day. फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कहाँ खिलेंगे, हम बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, अंधेरे से हम घेरे हुए, अंधेरे से हम भागे हुए, अंधेरे से हम घेरे हुए, अंधेरे से हम भागे हुए, पल पल हर पल हम जिए, कितने काले दुनिया में। हवाओं ने जाके पत्तों से पूछा, पत्तों ने जाके पेड़ों से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे, हम कैसे रहेंगे, हम हैं तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हम हो तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हम। हमें जीने दो, हमें खिलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें लगने दो, हमें जीने दो, हमें खिलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें लगने दो। दुनिया हमारी खुशियों से भर दो, खुशियाँ हमारी हरियाली कर दो, हम यही रहेंगे, हम यही खिलेंगे, हम every year. The environment is around where we live. This is the source of life. Our environment is degrading due to a lot of human activities. The environment can be saved by planting trees, recycling, reducing pollution, and creating awareness. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It is everyone's responsibility to protect. Thank you.